Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce less spicy. Capsaicin, the compound causing heat, can be mitigated using various techniques. Begin by understanding that even small additions can significantly alter the flavor profile. Always add ingredients gradually, tasting after each adjustment to achieve your desired heat level. This careful approach prevents overdilution and ensures your sauce remains delicious. One effective method is simple dilution. You can add a small amount of water, chicken broth, or even a mild vegetable juice to spread out the capsaicin. Another great option is introducing acidity. Ingredients like apple cider vinegar, lime juice, or lemon juice can help cut through the heat. Acids work by breaking down the capsaicin oils, making the sauce taste less intense without losing its core flavor. Sweetness is a fantastic counterpoint to heat. A touch of honey, maple syrup, or even a pinch of sugar can balance the fiery notes, making the sauce more palatable. Fats and dairy are also excellent at taming spiciness. Capsaicin is fat-soluble, so adding ingredients like butter, cream, or even a neutral oil can help encapsulate the heat, reducing its impact on your taste buds. Beyond dilution, acidity, sweetness, and fat, consider other preparation methods. Roasting your peppers before making the sauce can often mellow their inherent heat. Also, remember that most of the capsaicin resides in the seeds and white membranes. Removing these can significantly reduce spiciness. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for your palate. For more great tips and deals, including that awesome sock link, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.